All right, guys. So today we are going to look at how to create this glass morphism. Okay, this is very simple. We are not going to waste much time. With just two or three clicks, then we are good to go. All right, so we are going to learn it. So first of all, we are going to do something like this. Yes, here too you will see it well. Okay, yeah. So first of all, let's create our file. So you hit on Control plus N, then we take any size that you choose. Is okay depending on what you are doing, but this is just a quick tutorial that we are going to look at. So let's take 1080 by 1080 pixels. This is it. Then we bring in our picture. This is the picture we are going to use. So let me just quickly bring the picture in from here, or better still, let me come here so that you will follow it one after the other. Okay, so let me take my time. So you click on your picture, then you drag and drop your picture here. Let's enlarge the picture to fit the screen or to fill the screen. You click on your check mark like this, so it is done. All right, so what we are going to do is we duplicate this picture into two. So this is it. So let's duplicate it. When you want to duplicate, as usual, is Control plus what, J from your keyboard, and then we have gotten the duplication. So let's lock this. You can lock it from here or here. So let's lock it from here like this. Then we go to the rectangle tool to choose our rectangle, and then let's draw our rectangle. We draw a rectangle like this. Yes, so let's curve the other side small, a little bit small like this, the edges, right? Yes, so you see the reason why we are not seeing this is because this is under it. This image is under it. So when we bring it on top like this, we see this is what we have created. So first of all, let's bring it back again. After bringing it back, what we are going to do next is very simple. Let's select our image. The first one, you select it. Then you go to filter, you go to blur, then Gaussian blur. So we are going to blur it. Yes, so we are going to blur it. So let's try and see. Let's start from, let's say, 4.0. Okay, the radius should be 4.0. Then you click on OK. So the best thing for you to do is to convert your image into a smart object. You see, the moment I brought my image in, it was already in smart object. That is why I didn't do it. So if yours is not on smart object, try as much as possible to convert it to smart object first. So right after that, we are going to clip mask this image into the rectangle that we initially drew. So let's hit on the Alt key from our keyboard and then bring it in between the the object and then the the rectangle that we created. Okay, so like this, you see we have the arrow is changing, or the cursor of the mouse is changing. So you click on it, left click on it once, and then it has been clip mask in it. But the reason why we are not seeing it is because of this. You see, this is the background. So when you turn this off, you see that we are seeing it now. So you can turn it on like this. And what we are going to do right now, let's also log this. Yes, because we are done with it. So what we are going to do right now is to select this one, which is your rectangle layer. Okay, to select your rectangle layer. So you see right now, even if you check around, you can see that you have this glass morphism on your image. When you bring it here, you see the difference. This place is blur, and then this place is very clear. Good. But if you just leave it like this, you see you are not seeing it. It becomes very difficult for you to see. So what you are going to do now is to give it a stroke. Okay, so let's come to this FX, click on it. Before that, you need to make sure that your layer or your rectangle layer is selected. Come to this blending options, then you go to stroke. You click on the stroke, and then boom, we are almost done. You see, we have it here. So this, follow these settings. Yes, follow these settings. It's not constant, but you can also change it. Yes, you can work around it. The color, it's, you can choose white, which is FFFF, or you can also play along with it like gray, something like that. Okay, then you click OK. So let's bring the color down a little bit. Something like this is, yes, I think something like this is cool. So click OK from here. Then This is the size of it. If we increase the size, you see what you are getting. If you reduce it, we also see what we are getting. So we need to reduce the size to just one. Yes, just one is okay. Right after increasing it, this is our position. The position should be inside. You can also bring it outside. You can also send it to the center. It still gives you the same result. Yes, so let's leave it inside like this. The blend mode should be normal. Okay, so my blend mode, I've not tried other blend modes, but I think blend mode normal works perfectly. So you can also try your hands on the other blend modes. You see, even this is overlay, and overlay is working perfectly. Let's try to increase this and see. Okay, so overlay works perfectly. So you can also go in for the blend mode should be overlay. Then that is it. Yes, let's also try to give it some inner shadow a little bit. Yes, you click on the inner shadow like this. Then let's try to increase the distance a little bit. The more you increase, the more it's try to give you different shade. Okay, so right, we have increased it. Let's try the blend mode here to overlay and see what we are going to get. You see, it is not giving us any huge difference. All right, so we can just leave it as it is on normal. Then we can reduce the opacity, something like this. And let's check what else. Let's look at the inner glow. Yes, you can also work on the inner glow. Let's see, normal. No, you can also check. So these ones, they are your personal preference. You just work along with them, but it's not a constant thing that you are supposed to do. Okay, so let's go to the overlay. It was on overlay. All right, so you can also reduce the opacity a little bit. So let's say my opacity should be around 20%. Yes, let me reduce. Yes, 20% is quite okay. So guys, that is it. We are done. We are done. So with just 2 3 steps, we are done. So this is it. This is our glass morphism that we have created. So right now, if you want to do anything with it, it's cool. You can do it. So you can also increase. If you think the blendness is too light for you, you can come back to the image, unlock it, then click on this Gaussian blur here, then you can still increase the blurriness. You see, the more you increase, the more it becomes more blurry. So it depends on how you want yours to be. All right. So as I said, it's personal preference. It's not a constant thing that you are supposed to do. Yes. So if you like it this way, you can also come. This is 1.6. So let's say this is 2.9. This is 3. But hours that we used for the tutorial was on 4, but this time around I've also increased it to 5. All right, so I think the 5 is okay. Or let me bring it back to the normal 4 that we used, then click on all right. Okay, so that is it. Let's lock it back again, and then we are good to go. So right from here, you can start adding your tests. Okay, you can start adding your tests. So let's check and see if we have any other tests here. All right, so let's pick this test, then bring it here and put it on it like this. Good. So you see, when you use it like this, and then the test, some of the test is showing, other side of the test is not showing well. It's because of the the uniform or the dress the image is having. That is why. But the other places shows nicely. So let's go back and then bring in the thank you and see what we are going to have. All right, so where is it? Okay, so it was already here. So this is it. You see, this is the thank you, and then it is working perfectly. Even if I don't tell you that there is a glass morphism here, you will not believe it. So that is it. That is it. So this is the before, and then this is the after. Before and after. So that is it, guys. Thank you very much for your time, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. If this is the first time you are watching us, try your possible best to like, subscribe, and then comment. And don't forget to hit on the post notification bell. Anytime you post a video, you'll be the first one to get the notification. Thank you, and see you in the next video.